Bet you're wondering why there's a big box right here. Bring it in closer. Okay, I was online and I was looking up collage kits. It's just so cute and I can't help myself, alright? But I'm gonna do it in my own style because a lot of people are buying like the Tezza packs, which I did not want to spend that kind of money. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's a crazy price. I think it's a good price because you get good quality pictures and you get like 150 or whatever. What I did is I got on Amazon and I looked up photo printers, which the photo printers were pretty expensive. So I got just a regular printer. It's like a Canon, I believe, and I can put photo paper into it and print photos off that. So why not do it at that route? I am very excited. I know it's just a printer, but I'm excited to montage my whole wall for you guys. I do not like my setup right now. I tried doing a like cactus theme and then I started it, got a few things for it, like some pictures that I made, some lights that were green on the wire part, and I just did not like it. I started not liking it. It didn't really go with all my stuff, so I quit on the cactus and I want to try something new, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of doing so. Alright, let's open her up. Hopefully she does good. Alright, we got some directions right here. Hopefully I don't have problems finding the English version like I did on my Polaroid. If you watched that video, thank you for all the love and support. It's very much needed. If it wasn't for you guys, I don't know what I'd be doing. I'm gonna insert a clip of me pulling off this plastic right here to show you how satisfying it is. You're welcome. Let's hope I don't break anything on this. I'm just like setting myself up for failure by saying that. Kobe. Wow, they even give you a CD. Not gonna watch that. Or lift up, scanning it, and cover briefly, and then close it. Great. Boom. 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 Oh yeah, we're rocking and rolling. She's printing. Hopefully all goes well. I took a little break. I turned my camera off because the battery was getting really low and I literally was just sitting there reading, trying to figure out how to work this. And what comes to find out, I was putting in the paper information wrong, so I had to put in certain information just for this type of paper. I'm probably not going to stay up all night and do this. I'm probably going to do it tomorrow, get a good night's sleep and get some energy because this is going to take some energy. With that being said, I am going to call it quits for the night and go to bed and return to this tomorrow. See ya. It is the next day and I did do some prints last night and I did have to individually cut them out, but I did run out of ink, so I have to run to Walmart to go get more ink for my printer. Oh, I'm also gonna grab some double-sided tape from Walmart to hang the pictures. I think that's it. Hopefully this collage wall looks good with all my other stuff. Alright, let's get at it. Alright, I just made it back from Walmart. I got my new ink cartridges for my printer. Hopefully I can decorate my room to where I like it enough to keep it that way for a while. So, let's hope today is the day. So, I think we're gonna go jump into some comfortable clothing and then I'll be right back. Alright, I changed into some sweats and a tank top. We're about to get this puppy started. Oh my gosh, I was trying to find my jewel this whole time because I'm a jewel fiend And it was in my old pants pocket. Alright, on with the video. What's great about this whole situation and what I'm doing is maintenance came here one day and had to fix some, like, I don't know, it was like something to do with the pipes, and so they said they had to cut into my wall to get to them. And so this little area right here was cut out, and then the piece that he cut out was plastered back into the wall, but he never painted it. So I have this ugly little box right here. So the good thing is with these pictures, I just get to cover that up. So I'm really excited about that. So I just realized that I just now started my video and I wasn't starting this whole time, so enjoy this time lapse even though you didn't get to see the first like 30 minutes of it. But here's my wall so far. Alright, it is the next day and I did not get my wall done last night because I did run out of tape and it was like 11. So that's my mom back there. But yeah, so I had to go get more tape after I got off work, and now I'm gonna start this wall and hopefully finish it tonight. So let's get on it. Good. I'm so excited. My camera died, so I'm going to use my phone for the last few minutes of this video. Alright guys, back again, another day. Hopefully this time we get it done. Alright, I just got my room done with, so I'm going to show you a tour of it. And we got Bryce and his stuff, because I told him to get out of the way. Alright guys, that was my room transformation. I was really excited with the ending results, and I hope you guys were too, and I hope you enjoyed this whole video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff. Hit the notification bell if you want to get a notification every time I post a video. And yeah, I think that's all I got for you guys this week. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.